Here we have a thread of famous paintings visualized with AI. This was going wild yesterday on Twitter. Actually, I thought it went more wild than this. 600,000 views. Anyway, it's a really cool thread. And so it's Stable Diffusion and ControlNet. They take images, like crazy famous images like the Mona Lisa. And then you get to take a glimpse at the AI equivalent or AI interpretation or AI visualization of the image. And it gets much more photorealistic, obviously. And everybody looks better. That's the other problem. This is my ugly problem again, where I feel like, I don't know how everything ends up looking so much more polished and symmetrical and like, how would you even call that filter? Like, what would you call this filter? Like, let's say Mona Lisa, it can somehow look more realistic and less realistic at the same time.
Yeah. It's definitely some sort of like surreal filter.
It looks more like a photo, but less like an actual person.
Yeah.
That is so strange to say. Like, go back and forth again between these.
Like, this is obviously a painting.
Sure, and it's flat. It's way flatter, and it's not. But somehow, it still feels more real. That is weird. Anyway, this is a thread, so you can scroll through it. Here we have the Great Wave off Kanagawa. This is like another extremely famous painting. It has like a kind of a cartoon style to it. I don't know if that's even
very cool,
fair to say, or if I'm
very classic
offending someone, but I love this image. And here is the AI equivalent. It looks like stock photo.
Yeah.
Bad Photoshop.
Yeah.
Ugly. Girl with a pearl earring. Another extremely famous. This one I don't mind as much. I don't know why. I don't mind it. It's the same kind of perfect filter applied to it, but somehow,
if you take away the eyes, I feel like the eyes are not
alive.
Yeah, they're not alive.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe the earring as well. Maybe it's the reflection, or...
Would you agree, though, that this is better than Mona Lisa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
It's closer. I don't know why AI had to go with a backdrop, a realistic backdrop in this case, as opposed to just a plain one. It's also odd, like the difference, like paintings don't seem to have depth of field in the same way, or they have a different depth of field. At least this one does, where the scarf here is falling out of focus. They
always have bokeh.
Oh, a lot of bokeh to convince us, I guess.
And they make up patterns too. Like her hairband is blank, and this has a pattern.
It's interesting. It's data set, right? That it's pulling from its data set to try to mimic. This is the famous Van Gogh painting, right?
Mm-hmm.
That looks kind of like a real guy.
Yeah. Did it look like him?
It's weird what happened in the top left corner there. How you got a little bit of texture. I don't know how I feel about this one. This one might be semi-convincing. I mean, he still looks like some weird cyborg thing.
I don't know. This dude looks pretty
good, right?
Pretty good.
He looks
again
pretty
with
good.
The eyes. There's something weird with the eyes.
Yeah, he looks pretty good. I don't know, but he's a little too smooth still. The other guy is rugged. Go to the other guy. That guy. Yeah, just exit out. Have them side by side. Just scroll down.
I need to.
Oh, you can't?
There we go.
Yeah, the other guy. Look how sharp the cheekbone is. The other guy is a hardened dude. Like, he's been through stuff. Which is Vincent Van Gogh. It's a self-portrait, by the way. I suppose in this case, you can look at a photo of Vincent Van Gogh and do your comparison. But anyway, it's not bad. It's really not bad. It's better than Mona Lisa once again. Here we have American Gothic. This is like as if they made a movie.
Look at the pitchfork.
The pitchfork is messed up. It's like a shovel and a pitchfork in one. This is like very Beetlejuice. If they made a movie based on that this would be the poster. You know what I'm saying?
Sure, yeah. Where things are just a little off.
Yeah. It's not bad. I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, minus the obvious problems with things.
I think that's it, right?
That's it, yeah. Listen, it's our detectors for this stuff are on high alert. And when you're looking at it like that, but when the world is flooded with that type of imagery, it might be harder to tell the difference. We might be just get used to it. Oh, you were looking for the presidents with the mullets?
Yeah.
That was another hot tweet
That was hot,
in the same category yesterday.